In today's video, let me show you how to fix Discord cannot pin messages. Now in this situation, the first thing that you can check is if you have reached the 50 pin limit, which is the absolute limit of the number of pins that you can make within a particular channel. So simply head over to the channel options, and right here on the top you should be able to see the option called pins being displayed, and make sure that it is not the case. As I said, if it is the case, you need to remove some of the pin messages from this section, and only then you'll be able to add in new pins. So make sure that you try that out first of all. If this is not the case for you, then you need to verify the manage message permissions. So if you do not have the permissions within your particular role, this may also be happening. So what you can do in this situation is head over to the server settings by tapping on your server, head over to settings, head over to role, and then simply tap the roles and select your assigned role within this particular server, and then simply swipe to the permissions to ensure that the manage messages or the administrator role is simply toggled on or not. If the administrator role or the manage message role is not enabled, this is the exact reason why this is happening. Now, if after trying both of these steps and you're still having this issue, the last thing that you can try out is try to clear out the app cache. Simply tap and hold the application, head over to the eye icon, head over to storage, and right here you should be able to see the option called clear cache. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.